Hi everyone, welcome back to Kavish Academy. Today we are going to start a new skill in English language, that is reading with intermediate level. Here is a paragraph on daily routine for intermediate English language learners to improve their reading skills. English language learners to improve their reading skills. To enhance your reading skills, incorporate a daily routine that sets aside dedicated time for reading. Begin by allocating 20 to 30 minutes each day to read a variety of texts such as news articles, short stories, or chapters from a novel. Start by skimming headings and subheadings to grasp the main idea, then read the text thoroughly, taking note of new vocabulary and phrases. Next, summarize the main points in your own words and finally reflect on what you have read by asking yourself questions like what did I learn or how does this relate to my life? Consistency is key, so make reading a habit by incorporating it into your daily schedule, such as right after breakfast or before bed. If you want to learn listening and speaking skills, then you can see in our last videos. Don't forget to watch the next class in which we will discuss more stuff about reading skills. Thanks for watching.